AVB6 assembly instructions. Parts list. Roof blanket. 2 times wall blanket without window, 2 times wall blanket with window. Bag. Aluminum frame. Frame bag. LED light with power adapter. Assembly.
Step 1. Put the folded frame upside down and extend the legs one section. Sometimes the second section can be pulled out. Stop and make sure that the correct section is extended. Step 2. Flip the frame to its feet and expand the frame. For larger frame size, it is better to work with a helper. When expanding the frame, make sure to expand evenly in all directions, so the parts do not skew and get stuck. When fully expanded, make sure it is locked in place. Step 3. Place the roof panel on top of the frame. Placing roof at this stage before fully extending the legs is easier, especially if you have low ceilings. Step 4. Extend the legs and adjust to a comfortable height. There are 3 height options to choose from. Step 5. In this AVB6 model, the walls are attached to the roof panel directly via the continuous Velcro strip. Start at the center of the frame and work your way around. In some other models, wall panels can be attached to the frame using Velcro tie-ups attached to the wall panels. Depending on the model, the 4 wall panels can be joined together by zipper or Velcro. Attach wall panels to frame posts using the Velcro tie-ups attached to the panels. We provide a zipper opening for the front entrance. The provided LED light can be simply placed on the frame at a convenient location. Run the cord under the panels and connect to an outlet.
This completes the assembly of the booth.